never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Welcome back to another video. Guys, I am in London. Look how sunny it is. Come to London and it's sunny. Yeah, it's a sunny day. It's been sunny since I got here. 27, 28, 29. Weather's good. The weather is good. Guys, I'm in London doing some bits and pieces. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not here for long. I'm here for about 10 days. I'm actually here. Well, I think I'll do a sit-down video and talk to you and tell you why I'm here specifically and what I'm doing here. But got a few things to sort out. I'll let you know about that. But I'm just going to go on the road. I have an eye test. Yeah, eye test to go and do now. But guys, I think, yeah, I'll sit down with you guys and talk a little bit more about why I'm in London. So you guys may have heard in the last clip that I am traveling. I've traveled now, so I'm back in the UK. I'm in London, and I've been here for about 3-4 days. It's the first time I'm really getting out, because I've been in the house. I'm only here for literally like a short trip, just over a week. I just had to come and take care of some things last minute, so I just had to book my flight and come out. But I'm here, guys. It's hot out here, I'm not gonna lie. The weather is good. Yeah, good weather. Like, it's about 27 today. It's gonna be like 27 for the next few days. So yeah, weather's really good out here. So yeah, you know, I've got to hit the shops while I'm here. You know, you can't come and not pick up a few bits. So that's it. But guys, like I said, it's a quick in and out. Yeah, you know, I can't leave Outlaw for too long. But not only that, guys, like I said in the previous vlogs, after about 2 or 3 days of being in England, I'm like, okay, take me back now. I want to go back home. I want to go back to Jamaica. That's how I'm feeling now. Yeah, after about 3 or 4 days of being here. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing too much exciting things while I'm here, but you know, I'll take you on the journey. If I'm doing anything, of course, then I'm going to show you guys and take you along with us. Yeah, at the moment, I'm just like doing some shopping. Let me show you guys. Yeah, some of you may recognize straight away where I am. Yeah, so yeah, there I am. So yes, guys, as you guys know, I'm in London. How can you not know that? I know there's been a few clips previously, you know, where I've been out and about. Yes, I'm back in London. I'm in England, and I did say that I would sit down with you guys and just give you a little bit of like an update why I'm here, and yeah, things like that. First of all, please forgive me for the picture quality. I know it's not that great. I'm using like my phone, which is not the best. I don't have my camera with me. I don't have a stand or a tripod or anything, right? So please excuse if there's any shaking in the quality. See with me, please. But yeah, so I'm in London. I'm not going to be here for long. I'm literally here for like 10 days. Yeah, in and out. This is actually my 3rd time this year that I have been in London. So I was here in March. You guys will know if you've been following us. I was here in March to surprise my son for his birthday, and I vlogged that. I came back again about 3 weeks, guys, after my son's birthday on an emergency. I was here for 5 days then, but I didn't vlog. And I'm back again for 10 days, and yeah, this was not planned. I wasn't planning to come back to England now. Reason being is because my family were actually in Jamaica, guys. I didn't vlog, I didn't say anything, but my family were in Jamaica literally like 2 weeks ago. My mom, my dad, you guys know my dad, my mom, my sister's husband, my niece, they were all out in Jamaica for just under 2 weeks. So I had a great time with them, spent quality time with my family, but I didn't vlog, I didn't pick up the camera. I just enjoyed the moment, okay? And I'm quite protective of my family, and not everybody wants to be on camera, so I respect that. So yeah, we just had a great quality time. So like 2 weeks later, I'm seeing them again, but this time I'm in England. So I'm in England to deal with some specific things, some important things that I had to be here in person to get on with, and I won't go really in detail, but I had to be here, so I literally just had to book my ticket. Like, I think 2 days before I came, I booked my ticket. But another thing, what this has done, being here, what it has done, is allowed me to kind of like catch up and do certain things that I've been meaning to do, especially health wise. So I've managed to have an issue with my teeth at the back where it's cracked. I've managed to book dentist appointments and do that, and book doctor's appointments for checkup and eye tests, and I've got some new glasses because I've just found out I'm short-sighted, even though Outlaw's been saying for the longest time, you're short-sighted. I'm like, no, I'm good, my eyes are good. People, my eyes are not so good. So Outlaw, you're right, I'm short-sighted. So I've managed to book, you know, like my doctor's, dentist, and all that kind of things. And yeah, so just catch up on my health, like just have a health check, if you like. And it's not to say I can't do it in Jamaica, but I think I do like visit the doctors very occasionally in Jamaica. But you know, because England is like, I feel safe, if that makes sense, and it's because I know how things work out here, you know. So yeah, it's been good for me to just you know, take this opportunity to get all my checks done. Yeah, and everything is all good. So yeah, I had a few concerns, especially when my teeth was concerned at the back, but it's all good. So yeah, so it's given me opportunity to get my health check and get kind of sorted out. I'm happy about that. And also, guys, I have a place in England, right? Usually when I come, I'm usually at my parents' house. Yeah, that's where I stay. It's convenient, you know, it's cheap and all that. But I have a house in England that I have to maintain as well. And at the moment, I'm doing some work on it, just decorating and just you know, I'm putting in new flooring and painting and just refurbishing and all that kind of stuff. So that's I wanted to be here because I haven't really seen much of that because I'm not here, right? So luckily I've got family. My dad is taking care of all of that. He does this by trade. That's his profession, you know, painting, decorating. So he's been doing it, just like sending me pictures. But it's nice to come and see how far the work has got, and to have my, you know, I have my input. Of course I have my input from Jamaica, but it's nice to be here and see the work that's been done. It looks great. It really looks great, guys. It really looks great. I should really do, when it's all done, I've got a video of what it looked like kind of before any renovations. So I'm going to post that, and once it's completed, I'll do like a before and after so you guys can see that. So yeah, I just really want to get that place like fixed up and sorted out so that my son can be there. Because my son's here as well, yeah. With my mum, there's enough space for all of us, which is fortunate. It's quite a big house, but a space where my son can you know, have, and you know, he's growing up, isn't it? He's growing up, he's an adult. But yeah, a space, like a nice space that he can have, because in the condition it's in at the moment, it's not very comfortable. So I'm looking forward to it all being fixed up, and he can go in, and you know, when I come I can go there. There's 2 bedrooms, so yeah, having it all fixed up. So guys, that's the Schweppes, that's the 411, that's the pre that's really what's happening at the moment. One thing I will say, the weather in England is crazy, but I ain't complaining. It's hot. It's been like 27, 28. And yeah, what I realised as well is that in the mornings it's not even hot. It's like late afternoon, that's when it gets really hot. But it's been good. I didn't really come prepared. I didn't pack like summer clothes because I just thought, you know, England. So yeah, that's been a bit like, I had to kind of adjust. But I'm enjoying the weather. I'm not really going out kind of person. I've kind of been indoors, catching up with a few people, out and about when I need to be. Of course, you know, when you come to England, you have to do a little bit of shopping. You have to, right? If I had the time to do the barrel, I would do the barrel, but I'm here for less than 2 weeks, 10 days, and it can get done. I could have done it in 10 days, but I had other little things that I needed to do, you know, the main reason why I was here, and then of course my health checks. But yes, guys, that's really it. I'm leaving in 2 days' time to come back to Jamaica. I phoned Outlaw on my second day here, and I was like, I'm ready to come home. Like, I'm ready to come back to Jamaica. Like, yeah, England is great. Don't get me wrong. And I never knock England, right? Of course, like, it's where I was born and raised. But I say this every single time. When I come back to... Sorry, guys, I'm going to swap hands. When I come back to England, it just really gives me clarity. And I'm grateful for it. Clarity. And kind of puts everything in perspective for me in terms of my life in Jamaica. And guys, everything may not be where I want it to be. That's life. But I am so happy with my life in Jamaica. Like, I am beyond happy, like, with life in Jamaica. And my goal is just to continue for Outlaw and I to work and just to build ourselves, to build our brand, and just to go from strength to strength. But even though, and I say this all the time, even though I may not have much in Jamaica right now, I'm happy. Do you know what I mean? But I'm happy with the little much that I do have. Yeah, like, I have peace of mind, as I always say. I'm happy, you know, just, yeah, I love it, and I love my life out there. And when I come back to England, it really just reminds me of, you know, how happy I am in Jamaica and just loving my life over there. So I don't mind coming back to England to visit and to do what I need to do. Like, I'm here for a reason, specific reason. You know, if I've got to come and do what I've got to do, no problem. But I always look forward to going back home. And Jamaica is home to me now. Jamaica's home. So yeah, it's good to come just to really acknowledge what I have back in Jamaica, like my life, and how great it is for me. So I'm thankful, yeah, and appreciative of what I have. So yes, guys, just a little update. I am in England, but I'm leaving in 2 days' time. I'm going back to Yard. Going back to Yard. Yeah, looking forward to seeing Outlaw again, and, you know, just getting back to my life in Jamaica. Yeah, so just a little update, guys. You know, I really didn't have much to show on this trip to England. I didn't go to any fancy restaurants. I did meet up with a couple of my friends, but I didn't do anything that was exciting, or, you know, it's just basic stuff, you know. I don't think you guys want to see me at the dentist, in the dentist chair at the doctor's, or any of that stuff. No. So yes, people, I hope you're all good. Guys, I'm looking forward to coming back to Jamaica. Yes. So when I'm back in Jamaica, of course, Outlaw and I will be back on the vlogs and everything. So look out for us. Guys, thank you for your continued support. Please do like this video. You know, press the thumbs up, like button. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I guess until next time, that me say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.